Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. Welcome to the recording, the 29th of January. Today we are heading from Newcastle Airport to Milan, Bergamo, and we got £35 return flights. So join us as we check in for our flight at 6:25 a.m. It is pretty cold today. We're dressed up in all our big gear because we're hand luggage only. So join us as we get into the airport. We've just stopped in Soul and Grain for a little flat white and strawberry and rhubarb slice. Pam's got a little bacon stotty. Looks good.
It's hotter than the sun right now.
It is looking pretty hot, but it's pretty busy for just after 7 a.m. Really busy. We've arrived in Bergamo and they have these on the floor, same as Gdansk. Look at the vending machine, how Italian is it? Salami minis, little sandwiches. This is the arrivals from the airport, and then this is the Flipgo bus. We're getting 14 euros per person. No, 12 euros per person. Look at this, we're just in the train station, we've just got off the bus. Look at this building. This is just the outside of the building, it's so grand. Right, we're just going up the stairs now. Look at this though. So far everything you've seen is filmed on the iPhone. I got hardly any sleep last night, so we're both completely flagging. It's currently 1 Italian time. We're just trying to get some food, dump our backpacks, and then go and explore. It'll be an early night tonight though. Oh, look at this.
Coaches 1 to 3 are located at the rear of your train, 4 to 6
Just look at this building. And then the Olympics is here next week. Look at the giant apple just outside there. What a building. So we just stopped for a sandwich from this place. And this is called Toscana. It's hot bread, that fresh meat, and that's absolutely beautiful. Pam got a little ham and cheese on there, and we just sat inside, but look at the queue. Al Anticio Vinaio. We've just stopped in this little place. Look at these treats they have available. This is all sugar sweets. Amazing. Have a look. And this is the place we've just gone in for these desserts, and that is our hotel we're staying in for the 3 nights. And this is just around the corner, Milano Romolo train station. We're going to get this back into the centre and we're going to go and see the cathedral. I am so knackered today, I'm not even bothered switching to the other camera. This is going to be a super short travel day video. A few little stops, then early night. Look at this. Wow. I mean, it's quite impressive. Wow. look at this shopping centre. Wow. For good luck, people spin round on this 3 times. Look how worn out it is when this guy comes up. Look at how many people must have done that. But this is absolutely breathtaking in here. It is beautiful. Look at some of the names: Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Dior, Tiffany. Right, we're just exploring the sites, having a look. And this is a nice little statue. Look at it. Now we're going into Starbucks only Roastery, which is like the coffee roaster. They do everything in store. This is Europe's only one, and it's in Milan. So we've just walked past it now. We're going to go back, go in and get the authentic roasted Starbucks coffee. So this building that I believe used to be the post office is now the Starbucks Roastery. This is Europe's only Starbucks Roastery. There are only 28 worldwide. Most of them are in North America. Wow. Thank you.
Lascia sempre libero un po' di
Seattle, Chicago, New York.
That's the roastery location. You've got all your different stuff on there. Let's have a little look around. Look at this. Milano, one of a kind. Here for coffee. Oh, nice are these little coffee cups. Oh, each one. What's the Casa collection? Roastery. How much are they? 80 euro. They're very nice. Little collector's piece. Look, here's the beans getting roasted here. And we've got a little bar at the top there. A little cafe here. All the beans and the pipes. Look at that. Look at these tiramisu. Wow. Look at these.
Gelato malted milkshakes. Yeah.
So these are the roastery creations. It's not too badly priced, to be honest, considering it's like a roastery and people will just come here and probably pay the prices for anything. Right, we're just sitting outside Starbucks Reserve. Pam got a little raspberry jam croissant, and I got this special little roasted butterscotch cold brew. That smoked butterscotch is incredible. So nice. It's not as good as, what was it called? Alzatic Coffee Corner or something.
No, Alzatic was the thrift shop.
The place in Florida had the best iced coffee I've ever had ever. Right, the pizza has arrived. We've just decided to have one. We're just inside this little pizza bar. Look at all the different stickers. It's called Piers. We're just downstairs. Right, we're just back here. Heading back to the hotel now. We are absolutely wiped out. Look at this. It's a little countdown clock till the Olympics starts. 8 days, 10 hours. 8 minutes and 21 seconds, and then that's when it finishes. Look at the buildings all lit up for the Olympics. We're just gonna have a little walk down what we think is the Olympic Village down here. That's beautiful, look at that. Yeah, there's all the Winter Olympics, bobsleigh, cross-country skiing. Oh, let's have a walk down here. So this is Kiko Milan, and this is the one where you can join a queue inside and get the engraving. That's what you've just seen.
Look.
This is it here, look.
So the front's got my name.
Pamela on the front.
And then
you
I
pay
picked
€1. Let me get a focus on this. And that has the Milan
Duomo
thing on it.
Cathedral.
That's it. Now we're going to head back to our hotel.